Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a really good day today. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys my Boxycharm that I received for the month of March. Now, I will say, yes, I already peeked in it, but I'm just going to show you guys what I received. So, for anyone who does not know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription where you receive 4 to 5 full-size beauty products, and it costs $21 a month. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe there is no longer a wait list. So make sure you check out Boxycharm.com so you can get onto that subscription list so you can start getting some really good items. No, this is not a sponsored video. I purchase Boxycharm with my own money each month. But I enjoy Boxycharm out of all of the beauty subscription boxes that I do receive because this is the only one that gives me full-size products, and this is a really good way to build your makeup collection kind of on a budget. I mean, for $21, and if you guys see the items that I received, well exceeds $21. So let's get started, okay? So first, like each month, you're just going to get a card and it tells you all of the products that you received as well as prices. Alright, so the first thing that I see right here is this, and this is what, mascara? Okay, and this is the Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. Now, it says on the packaging 200% thicker lashes and 314% increase in lash curl. Now guys, if you know, I have been trying to stay away from false lashes because 1, I don't know how to apply them, and 2, it's a hassle to apply them, and 3, I'm not trying to rip out the little bit of eyelashes that I have, so I'm actually trying to grow them. So if this can improve thickness and actually give me some type of curl, we have to see if that works out. Love it. So this right here, let's see, the Double Decker Lash Mascara retails for $20. So basically the monthly subscription that you pay of $21, you basically already bought this and everything else in your box will be free, so to speak. So the next thing that I see in here is this, and this is South Main 3 Eye Gel Packs, and it's supposed to reduce puffiness, dark circles, and moisturizes eye area. So it's these, so you get 3, and everyone knows I love a good eye mask, lip mask, face mask. They're all the same right here. And let's see, these retail for $10, and this is by South Main Beauty, and it says our under eye gels are great for an easy mask without the cleanup. They soften, moisturize to ensure that you look rested and refreshed. So interested to see how these work. I've actually never heard of that brand before either. So if you guys have heard of the brand or have used them, leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you like them. The next thing that I see here, okay, are some brushes. These is by the Vintage Cosmetic Company, and this is a smoky eye brush set. I can always go for some brushes because I recently unsubscribed to the Morphe Brush Club, and I love receiving brushes and monthly subscriptions because brushes can be expensive, and they're like these, and they are soft. Okay, so these retail for $23.15, and this brush set trio will enable you to create a stunning smoky eye. Use your shadow brush to sweep a light shimmer color over your lids, pack a darker color onto the angled shadow brush and work into the crease, and you have a smudge brush. Okay. Alright, the next thing that I see, and guys, this packaging is so pretty. Guys, like, look how pretty that is. It's like vintage kind of packaging with the border, and this is by Pretty Vulgar. Now, when I seen on Boxycharm the 3 colors, I was hoping and praying that I didn't get that bright pink color. So I'm actually happy with this color because it's so neutral. I mean, on camera it looks like peach, but it's really not. This is in the color Make Them Blush and Hush. Alright, and let me just swatch this. There is a lot of kick up. Is that cream? No, this is definitely powder, but I don't know if you can tell, but it can get messy. But other than that, it's a really neutral kind of like pinky color. Definitely would look nice on my skin complexion. I don't know if you guys can see it. I know my light is like very bright, but it looks peachy, but it is a very nice rosy pink color. And this right here retails for $26. And it's powder blush that awakens your complexion and provides a natural glowy flush to your cheeks. This silk smooth formula is long lasting and highly pigmented. The buildable blush powder can be worn alone or paired with a multi-dimensional pop of color that will flatter any complexion. So again, this is by Pretty Vulgar. And last but not least, I received a palette. Boxycharm is a good way for you to receive palettes. It may not be like high end. I think the only high end palette I ever received from Boxycharm was Tarte's, but you can build your palette collection with this too. I received this right here. As you can see, there's no name on it, but this is by dun dun dun, a Boxycharm collab with Pure Cosmetics. I love the packaging. It's white with like stenciled hearts and silver. It is so pretty. You guys can't see it. My camera is definitely not giving it justice. But when I saw the colors on Instagram, I knew this was a palette that I would like because it's very unique to my collection. But just because the colors are unique doesn't mean anything. I need to know how they perform on the eyes as well as the pigmentation of it. So let me see. I'm going to swatch this for you guys. Like, look how pretty that is, guys. Those are really pretty. Definitely spring colors. You get, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like there's 7 or so shimmer colors and 5 matte colors. And this palette here retails for $36, and this transitional palette can be used now or later to bring vibrancy back into your look. Our signature silky smooth ultra mattes are paired with pretty pinks and a vibrant blue to lighten the mood, plus you can layer the shimmer shades for a duochrome finish. So let me see how these swatch. So there is no names as far as what the shade names are, so I'm just going to swatch the first row first and give my thoughts. So actually, my bad, you can't really see it because it's very light, but there are shade names. So the first one I'm swatching is this eggshell kind of like transition nude color. This is called Perfect. So let's see, I'm going to swatch it. That I would probably use for like highlight my underneath my brow bone. But I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if my camera is really picking it up. But it's like the consistency of the pigmentation is okay for me. It's nothing spectacular right now. Let's see. The next color is called Nikki. And this is more like a peachy color. Peachy orange color, I would say. Okay. The next color is called Belle, and this is more like a peachy coral kind of color, and these are matte colors as well. Like, you really have to press to get the pigmentation to show up, but I am not a good swatcher, guys. The next color is a shimmer, and this is called Squad. And again, this is still in the peachy coral. It's very flaky. So let's swatch it. Okay, I guess. So now we're going into the second row. Okay, so the first shade is called Charmer. And this looks like a highly pigmented shimmer. This is like a gold. Not a gold, but I guess like a bronzy copper color, I guess. So let's see. Okay, it's very subtle, like it has a sheen to it. I probably would do that on the eyelids, like the eyelid. The next color is more like a bronze, and this is called Alliance. Very flaky, but that's a nice color. I can see myself wearing that color. Alright, the next shade is also a shimmer, and this is called Bay. And this looks like a rosy pink color. Again, these shimmer colors are very flaky. Alright, that's more pigmented. Has a nice sheen to it. The next color is called ATL, and this is like a shimmer burgundy color. Ooh, that is nice. I feel like the darker the color, the more pigmentation it shows up, but that's really nice. And now we're going to swatch the last 4 colors, which are more bolder and deeper colors. So the first color is called Duet, and this is like a chocolate rich brown, and that is a matte. So let's see how this one swatches. Okay. The next color, which is what really caught my eye in this palette, and this is that blue shimmer, and this is called Mia, or MIA. That is gorgeous. Oh, that is pretty. I definitely have to do a look with that. That is really pretty. The next one is called BFF, and this is like a purpley magenta. Okay, and last but not least, this is called Boxy Black, which looks like it's a black, but it looks like it definitely has purple, pink, and gold glitter reflexes in it. Let me see. But when you swatch your finger in it, it looks like it's just a black. So I hope that wasn't just for the top layer. But this is the black. Because as I swatch it, the glitter reflex, you can't really see at all. Like the glitter is really lost into it, and the black is more like an ashy black. It's not really a true black, but it definitely is not very, it's pigmented, but it's not as true black as I would like it to be. Okay guys, so that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like my video, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe, as well as don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know every single time that I upload a video, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you received your Boxycharm box yet, and what items did you get that are different from mine, are the same from mine. I'm interested to know what your opinion is on the mascara as well as this palette. If you use this palette to create a makeup look, don't forget to head over to my Instagram and tag me in your makeup look, because I would definitely love to see how that turned out. Alright guys, so I will catch you guys in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe like I said, and I will see you next time.